Hello friends and welcome to yet another very useful video, and that video is based on how to use filter formula in Excel. We all know there is a filter function in Excel where we filter the data. For example, here the data that we have: name, account, opening month, city, currency, etc. And I want to filter the data on particular city and particular currency. For example, if I want to filter the data on New York with the currency rupiah, I will go ahead and select the currency rupiah here, and I will get this data. But what if I want this data in some other location? Exactly same data. I need to copy and paste again and again. So to avoid that, we have a function, very useful function called as filter function in Excel. For example, here I put the city and currency. So I created a drop down, and with the help of filter function, the data will appear here. If I select the city, for example, New York, I select, and the combination of currency I select as rupiah here. You will see here the data is automatically is coming. How did I do that? I did that with the help of filter formula. Similarly, I get the data greater than 1000 for amount deposited here with the help of filter formula, ready-made data. This is very easy to use but very useful function, filter. I have created the practice Excel sheet also and given the link in the description. Don't forget to download it and practice yourself. Let me know in the comment if you face any issue. So let us go ahead and learn how to use filter function in Excel. So this is the data that we have with name, account opening, city, currency, etc. I've created here a drop down, and we will fetch the data with the help of filter formula here. So whatever I filter here, I will get the data. So first of all, go ahead and put the formula here. The formula is equal to filter. There are various uses of filter formula, very useful formula. So today we are going to learn a very simple use of filter formula. So I will first of all put the uh, formula only for a particular city, and then we will go ahead and city and currency combination. So what does filter formula ask for? Is equal to filter array. Array means the data in which you are looking here. It's like a VLOOKUP only, VLOOKUP array. So that array I will select, then include the condition. What condition that I want? I want a city, particular city. And then if empty, if that particular cell is empty, what error it should throw. Then it will show me that error, or else I can put it empty cell as well. So filter, first of all I will select this array. I can select from this header, but I will, to save the time, I will go ahead and select from the top only. That is, I'm directly selecting the columns. So A to G, and then comma. Then what is it asking? Include. Now here is very important that what we should put. Here we are going to put the first the select the column of the city, because I want a particular city. So I will select the column of the city from here, include here, and then this particular column should equal to, I can write the name of the city, New York, Paris, etc. But I already have the cell here. So I will select the cell from here. But if you are putting a name, don't forget to put it into two double inverted commas, the way we put into if function. So I will directly select this city from this particular cell, because it will appear in this cell. And then comma. If empty, I want here no, not found, not found. So I will put into two double inverted commas, not found. Any text that I want, I need to put into two double inverted commas. So see once again, filter, first select the array, the whole data, comma, then what condition, particular city I want. So city column I select is equal to, here I need to is equal to, and the name of the city, and then enter. Now you can see here, this data is of Paris data. If only Paris, all the data of Paris coming here. Four entries are five entries are there, and here also I'm getting that particular here only for Paris. What if I want to do some combination here? So I'll put the formula here again. I will cut this formula. Data is gone. I want a combination of city as well as particular currency. So is equal to filter tab array. Again, I will select this the whole table, comma, include. Now here I need to put the two conditions. So I will open the bracket here, include. First is the city condition. So I will select the city column is equal to this particular cell because my city will appear in this cell. Then complete the bracket. Now I want to add the second condition. That means I want to have the data which has Paris as a city and euro as a currency. So the condition is like that. It's not a or condition, it's a and condition. So Paris as well as euro, this combination I want. So I will use the star here into multiplication star. If I want either of that, then I will use the plus condition. I will get the data for Paris as well as euro together here. If I use plus, but I want the and Paris as well as euro, so I will use the star here. Then again open bracket. What I want to include here, again the include condition I will use here. I want to include the currency here, so I will select the currency column. So this currency should be equal to euro. This particular cell my currency will appear, or otherwise I can write between the two double inverted comma as well for particular currency. And then I will complete this particular bracket. So I put the two conditions here. One is for currency and one is for city, and this is for currency. And then comma. What if the cell is empty? I want to write is as a not found. I want the result as a not found. If the cell is empty, this is not there. And then I will say enter. So Paris and euro combination is not available. I will select any other. So New York and euro combination is available. So New York and any other currency I will select. Then I will check if it is available. Yes, it is available. So I'm getting a separate data, whole data here, whole data till amount deposited here in this particular table with the help of this combination. So for every combination I have the data. Wherever the data is not there, then it is giving me not found. So that is one thing. Second thing is that suppose I want all the entries greater than 1000 from this amount deposited, greater than 1000. So how do I go about it? So here I will put the formula is equal to filter. I will get the entries greater than 1000 here. Filter tab array. Again I will select the whole table. Don't forget that I created this in a table format. I will tell you the use of that as well. Comma, what I want to include, I want the condition on the amount deposited. So I will select the amount deposited column because here I have only one condition. That is the reason I'm not putting a open bracket and close bracket, just one condition. I selected amount deposited. Now it is greater than say 1000. So all entries greater than 1000. So I can write also, or I can select the cell because I want some dynamic conditions here, dynamic result I want here. So I will select this cell, then comma, if empty, then I will put not found in two double inverted commas. These many entries are there which are greater than 1000 from here. So I select here number filter greater than 1000. These many entries are there which are appearing here automatically with the help of filter formula. I can change this number. My entries will change greater than all 500 entries I can see here. Greater than 2000 if I want, I will change this number here and I can get greater than all 2000 numbers. 3000, only one entry is 3000. This is the way that I use the filter function. Very useful. This function can be used with the help of other function as well. So I will put here 1000 again and I will add one entry here, something some name I will put here, and I will the same cities and just want here some entry which is greater than 1000, because I want to see whether it's appearing now. And now if you see the Ramesh entry which I made just now is appearing over here. Why? Because my data is converted into table format by control T. If I do the control T, it can be changed into table format. So this is the way we use the filter function. It is a very useful function. Don't forget to comment and tell me how it was, how the video was, and what functions that you want to learn in Excel. Do not forget to practice it and let me know in the comments what you want to see and how did you learn the filter function. Do not forget to subscribe this channel to learn the data analysis and all other data related functions. So stay tuned and see you in the next video. Thank you very much.